In this video, I will show you an amazing trick to delete alternative rows in Excel very easily. So let's get started. Here I have an Excel sheet containing temperature readings recorded at every 30 minutes. Now, suppose you want to remove the alternate rows containing the temperature records taken at half-hourly intervals. To do that, add a new column at the end. Select the first cell of the new column and enter an equal sign to start the formula. Type mode and then an opening bracket. Now type row followed by opening and closing brackets. Now type a comma and then 2. Type the closing bracket and hit enter key to complete the formula. Now place the cursor at the bottom right corner of the cell until you see the plus sign. Double click on it to copy the formula to other cells. In this formula, the row function returns the current row number. The mode function divides that row number by 2 and returns the remainder. As you can see, for every even numbered row, this formula returns 0, and for every odd number row, this formula returns 1. Now click the data menu and then click on the filter option. Now click on the filter drop down of the new column and deselect the value 1. Only temperature readings taken at half-hour intervals are visible now. Select all these rows and press the Ctrl and minus keys on the keyboard. Here, click the OK button to delete these rows. Now click on the data menu and then the filter option to remove the filter. As you can see, all the half-hourly rows are removed now. Finally, delete the column that we added at the end. The same trick can be used to delete every third row, fourth row, and so on. For example, to delete every third row, change the formula and replace 2 with 3. Now, this formula returns 0 for every third row. Apply the filter and deselect the values 1 and 2. Now, select all the visible rows and delete them. Finally, remove the filter and delete the added column. Watch this video to learn an amazing trick to highlight every other row or column in Excel. And if you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel.